Please make sure to subscribe. Don't be part of the 84% people who are not subscribed to this channel who are still watching our content. It's like you go into your neighbor's house and you just eat their food and you don't come back the next day. And you see them in public, you're just like, who are you? Wait, what?
I have mango in between. You don't see it though, right? Hey guys! It's here. Look at my hair though, how good it is.
Look at mine, Rihanna.
My Instagram. Let's babe, eat like a normal person if you need to eat, not like
I'm eating like a normal person.
You sound like a cow. Jeez Louise, Molly.
Why are you changing it?
Because anyhow, this is my amazing Instagram. What are we doing today again?
We do the intro first. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
Wait.
Please die.
We're eating popcorn.
No.
This is a mukbang ASMR challenge.
I don't like. Chew with your mouth closed. Ew.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video.
Wow, that's a good start.
I guess no singing for me tonight. So today's video, guys, just so you know, we've received a lot of death threats from you. Because I'm serious. Can you stop making me laugh? We have received a lot of death threats from our YouTube community because we have not reacted to this person's Instagram yet. So
who's this person?
In solidarity, I'm gonna sing a song.
No, Yani.
You broken down, tired of living life on a merry-go-round.
Come on, let's react.
So today's video, we're finally rating Heart Evangelista's Instagram because of all the death threats and all the threats that you guys are sending us. And another news announcement I would like to make is there are 84% of you guys watching that are not subscribed to this channel.
How can you do that?
Only actually 16% that are subscribed are watching. So I don't understand the math. You all keep on coming back to our channel and you guys are not subscribed. Subscribe to this channel. Smack the subscribe button.
I'm gonna go on strike for a whole week. Then we'll see.
You guys are ruining my haircut. Anyway, seriously guys, please do subscribe if you want to support our content and our channel. And that's crazy number. 84% are watching that are not subscribed.
Oh well, just join the family if you want.
For real.
Otherwise, we're gonna move on with our lives, okay?
Yes.
This is just YouTube.
Nonetheless, we still thank you for watching because you guys still contribute to our family. So thank you. So today's video, no more announcement, promise. Let's go ahead and start this video.
Thank you.
Move. Bitch, get out the way. Do you guys like our onesies? This is Fabio's Instagram.
It's beautiful, guys.
Okay, we're done. So we're gonna look for Heart Evangelista.
How many?
Oh my gosh, she was featured in Harper Bazaar, was it? Harper Bazaar's YouTube channel. They made an article or a blog about Crazy Rich Asians when the movie came out.
Okay.
So I assume she's crazy, rich, and Asian. So I assume she has, I don't know, let's say 7 million.
I'm gonna say, because of the amount of comments, I'm gonna say 25 million. I believe in her. 25 million.
I don't even have that many hair strands in my head, but so let's see. Oh, 2.8 million. So I was right. I was the closest. I was like 1 million off, but it's fine. Look at her bio. Her bio is a thesis project.
Wow.
It's
long. Let's see. Heart Evangelista.
Evangelista. Hablo español.
Love Mary. On pag. There we go. I'm gonna give up.
Yeah, really?
It sounds like the song that. Still a nightmare.
What was the song?
I don't remember.
So guys, we filmed a video of Fabio dancing or singing Paatuhod.
Nightmare.
The Filipino kids rhyme song. So if you guys have not seen it, go check our channel.
Okay, let's move on.
She has a lot of posts too. 9,000 posts.
That's a lot
Like,
of
so
posts.
she posts like twice a day maybe.
So we can do like part 1, 2, 3 up to 20. She says wife.
No, just read it. It's
Actress.
like you just read it like ta ka pa ta pa.
Okay. Love Mary.
Marie.
Oh, Love
Think
Mary.
Spaniol.
On Pau Co.
Yes.
Escudero.
Yes, there you go. That's it.
Wife, actress, artist, author. Balikatang thalassemia.
I don't
She
know what
loves
that is.
the ocean.
All the bullet points, I don't understand.
Yeah, but half of it I don't understand.
All
But
the
it's
bullet
okay.
points, I don't understand.
Anyhow,
She posts obviously 5 times a
lot.
day.
She loves Instagram. That
She
we
loves
see.
Instagram.
She follows quite a few people, 3,000.
I want to look at her her Instagram in general look. So you can see it's a very typical girly Instagram.
I love it. I see that it's a lot of whites.
A lot of
in
whites.
it,
That's her theme.
and
on
a
her
lot
Instagram.
of accent, just colors
Gold,
like that.
ivory,
Yes.
pink, lavender.
I like it already.
I've always loved her. She is always so beautiful.
So you
most
know her
beautiful.
from
Well, she's from the
years ago.
Philippines. She's an actress.
Okay.
Yeah, and I haven't followed her yet. Might as well follow her now because in general, like I said, it's very, very typical Instagram girl that is just like, oh, I lost my earring pose. Kind of like very girly, smiley.
Let's see the very latest picture that she posted.
Wow.
Wow.
She looks like she's lazy with her body, but the face is not lazy at all.
She's like very relaxed.
Apparently,
Lovely.
this is for the campaign shoot, but I don't know which campaign this is.
Okay. This looks like a purse to me.
Oh, I saw the interview of her from Harper Bazaar. Or is it Harper Bazaar?
Okay.
The Crazy Rich Asian episode.
Yeah.
This girl buys like Louis Vuitton, Gucci,
Oh.
Louboutin bags, and she actually do patchworks on them. And it's like projects. It's her project, personal project. So it looks like this is one of them. So the bag is obviously something Gucci because she's crazy rich Asian. And I think the patches are her work.
Oh.
Somehow she's a designer.
Oh, she loves puppies. Oh my god, dogs. I miss. See, she has four just like me.
The couch is very comfy. It's very homey. I love it.
And when you sing, you bark basically. So yeah. Wow, they're so cute.
Oh my god. See?
Nice.
Her Instagram looks like a jewelry store.
I love the bracelet with the eye.
Oh my god, Illuminati. Confirmed. You heard it here first. Heart Evangelista is Illuminati. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Wow.
How many dogs does she have? That's a lot of dogs.
I think that's one of the previous pictures.
She has small dogs and big dogs. That must be like a very 10-pound, very expensive person. She lives in a very grand mansion, I think. Look at that.
Oh, I love that part of the house. That's the corridor of heart that she was mentioning.
No, I feel like her house is like this. The entire house is like
Yeah.
this. Because it's
white. Just touches of colors here and there.
In some way, it is minimalism because it's just white, very clean.
Yeah.
Which I like as well.
Yeah, white.
That's why all our house is white.
That's why the boyfriend is white. Look at that purse. It's like a diamond.
It's a disco ball.
It's a.
It is. It's a ball.
Oh my god! It is a ball.
It's a
disco
ball.
ball. It's Louis Vuitton too.
Yeah. So if she's bored, she would just roll the ball on the floor. Cute.
Oh
But
my
I
God.
love the dress. And look at this ruffle on the side. It's very cute.
Because you can use it to wipe your hands, like you're cooking, and then you're like. "Ooh."
So she's a chef now. Well, there we go. There's a food Instagram.
See, I told you. She made that. Look how much wasabi there's in
I was
that.
gonna say that's a lot of
That's
wasabi.
a lot of wasabi, girl.
And you guys will love Japanese
Got a
food.
shit
just so you
fire.
know.
Nice.
Look at
This
it.
is another artwork or
I
something?
feel like that's her artwork again. The detail of this piece took me months to finish.
There
It's
we
her
go.
artwork. Yeah.
It's yours.
It's actually nice though. I wonder what it is. It looks like a patches of fabric.
Look at and trying to understand the concept behind it. She's holding a half heart.
Oh, so you're looking at the art. Oh,
I am looking. Okay, let's see the next.
Oh, there's a video.
there we
Let's
go.
see. Let's hear her. I
Don't be
actually
a
love her.
boomerang.
No, I actually love her. Get Ready With Me. Does she have a YouTube channel?
What?
Get Ready With Me, and she has
And
a
then
partner. She has somebody to do her hair.
Oh damn!
Oh, that was it.
Wow.
I thought she was I thought she was gonna do a fast forward of like, first primer, foundation, nothing.
Get ready with me, and then the guy behind
I
doing her hair.
know. Oh my god, see, look at her
Wow.
house. I love her house. Look at the
Yeah.
accent pieces.
Wow, she's an anaconda.
My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't want not unless you got buns, huh? You got. You're white. You don't have buns.
What are buns? These ones?
Us.
Oh, bun! Oh, bun!
You thought buns are this one. You're so gay. Welcome to the casa. And look at her. She's so poised.
Damn, that dress.
Don't you think that she's like a very ladylike? She's very sweet, looking sweet in the face.
She's very. Yeah, she's always very poised in
Yeah.
everything.
Oh, I think that's her artwork again. My gosh. Look at that dress. Oh my gosh.
She's a lady. Like when you think of a lady, she's like, it's me.
She looks like she's ready to go have tea with the Queen of England. Look at the dress.
Beside the definition of lady, there's her picture.
I know. No, I'm speechless. I was gonna say breathless.
I would be so curious to know if that's a shot, like they took one shot and that was it was posted, or she took or she's one of these people that it took 1,000 and then she picked the
what do you mean one of these people? All people on Instagram take millions of photos and take
I don't.
Lies you tell.
Don't. What you see there is just very natural poses.
Lies Zamanelli.
Not staged.
Lies Zamanelli. But I'm speechless at this photo.
Nice dress, nice color. It looks
great. The color is gorgeous. Yeah. She's always the color is perfect. Oh my gosh.
Another dog. There we go.
And we saw that dog before.
Yeah.
I love the touch of red purse. That's like a nice touch of the white outfit. See? Look what she does in her bags. These are expensive bags too. These are not like the Victoria bags. These are
that's
like...
a Louis Vuitton, I think.
It is, yeah.
Oh, Hermes.
Oh my god, here we go. So we're seeing a lot of professional photos now. So let's see.
There we go. Nice.
Look at the change of the bangs.
She looks very good with her hair up.
This reminds me of Lucy Liu for some reason. Cute.
Nice pose.
Wow.
Wow. She has breakfast on the floor. Because she knows where she came from. Very humble. So she's like, I want to remember of where I came from.
Some people have breakfast on the bed. She has breakfast on the floor.
On that expensive carpet. Oh, that's
wow,
Greece.
Look at the photo. Is it Greece?
It looks like it.
They have the yacht together. Wow. Bitch is skinny.
She's got the body.
Girl, she's skinty. All these photos are so professionally taken. She must have a professional photographer like Beyonce.
Oh, that's creative.
Yeah, that's a very nice picture. Bitch, that's a private jet. She has a private jet.
No.
That's a private jet.
Well, if the husband is a politician, most likely. But look at the dress. You know? It looks like it's been made with a hole puncher. It's like
it also reminds me of a table mat, a tablecloth.
It is. You don't want to wash it.
She's just very innovative. She's very innovative. I love her.
Recycle.
How to be rich like her. Okay, let's watch this first.
Oh my.
Who's the guy? That's not her husband.
Beautiful. Look at the silhouette.
She's very classy. She's very elegant.
She's a lady.
She's a lady. She's very elegant.
How old is she?
I don't know, 30, mid-30s?
In her 30s?
Yeah. She lives a very lavish life. Very luxurious life.
You know, I'm just curious to know where she came from.
Here's my thing. I said that she lives a very luxurious life, but I feel like she also worked hard for what she has. Based on the interview that I saw, I think...
Well...
Who was it? Was it Boya Bonda who interviewed her that she cried because she came from a very humble beginning, and then she actually worked hard her way up all the way to where she is now.
I really admire people that come from a very humble beginning. Well, like, now she's showing all this hard work because she has 1,000 bags.
Yeah, and you guys should not bash people for showing what they have, and you should not call them out for being like, oh, you're so showy, you're like bragging. It's not about bragging. It's like you should be, instead of like being insulted, you should be inspired of what they have now because of what they worked hard in the past.
Yeah, but do you need 20 bags?
She's a girl after all.
Yeah, it's like you with your clothes. Do you need 10 black t-shirts?
I'm gay after all. She's a girl. Cut. I'm gay.
Same
She's
cut.
gay. Did you say Mila's guy? Oh, she was in Milan.
Oh wow.
Aww. Look at her.
Wow. Her skin is so flawless.
Fierce. Oh my god, this is fierce. Look how pretty she is. You kind of look like her.
You say so.
Wow, this looks like an ad for Maybelline or something.
Wow. No, she's feeling if she still has a pulse. She's like,
yeah, she's a nurse.
I'm alive.
She has a very glowy skin in this photo.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm obsessed with that eye makeup. Look, it's hard to pull off a very dark eyeshadow, and it's also hard to do it. Well, if you're a makeup artist, but
I love the angle of the lipstick. Actually.
Girl, that neck goes for miles and miles. That neck must be photoshopped. That neck cannot be real. It goes for miles and miles and miles. Look at that. If she wears a regular turtleneck, it would only go up to here.
Yeah, it would be regular.
Yeah, but regular.
Look, and I love how the photographer or whoever put earring, ring.
Well, I feel like she's advertising jewelry, I think. Yeah. So she has to.
Oh, the lipstick, I think.
Oh, I love that color on her.
Wow. Which color do you not like on her?
She's so perfect. I know, she's perfect.
She can wear toilet paper, she will look great.
I know, she could rock it and high fashion. Aww.
She's hiding because she didn't put lipstick, so she's like, no, don't look at me.
She has a lot of high fashion. She loves fashion.
She does.
She loves brand, I think. She loves Gucci. She likes all that.
And then you open her closet. White.
For real. Final thoughts, Fabio.
Let me come back to the middle of the screen.
Which is nothing.
Which is nothing. I moved 2 millimeters. Final thoughts. It was, well, she is such a classy lady. I love it. I love her style. I don't think I can relate to her that much. I appreciate everything she's doing, but I cannot relate to it. I'm more of a bubbly, fresh, more down-to-earth person.
But you also don't want to judge people based on their Instagram.
I'm not judging. Well, I don't know her, so I'm judging what I see.
Okay, yeah, that's exactly. You cannot generalize everything based on their Instagram.
I'm not generalizing shit. I'm saying
you are
based on my knowledge about her Instagram.
Well, based on my knowledge about her, that's why I'm saying, because her Instagram is not her full persona
as a person.
That? You did.
I said.
Because you said you cannot relate.
I see Instagram. I cannot relate to what I see on this Instagram. Bitch, why do you have to come for me? Are we not a team in this?
Okay, go for it. Whatever.
Bitch.
Keep going.
Jeez.
Keep going. You just get so mad easily and passionate. Jesus Christ.
I'm saying. I see an Instagram profile of my, and then I see hers. I'm more in.
Yes, my is more.
Then what do you want for me?
But she probably
farts and rolls on the floor just like everyone else.
No, she probably designed her Instagram to look like that, because Instagram, however, is also it's like your portfolio on how you want to be perceived.
And I can say what I want about her. Why are you a hater?
I'm not being hater.
You are being hard.
I'm not being hard.
And I don't give a crap, because I'm still in my opinion.
Okay, go for it.
I went for it already, and I came back too.
Now we're gonna end this video because Fabio's mad. He gets so mad easily, as you can tell. I get what Fabio's saying. No, I really do. I understand. Her Instagram is not personable. It's not relatable.
But this is not her whole persona, Yani.
Shut up. It's my turn to speak. Persona. It's my turn to speak.
Guru.
When you look at her Instagram, it's not relatable for most of us peasants, because we broke. We don't have no money. And
we wear onesies in front of thousands of people.
Like, sometimes we don't even dress up for you guys. We just like come to the camera and be so whatever. Our hair, we just woke up and everything. But anyway, I get what you're saying, but I love looking at her photos. She's just pretty. She's just perfection. She's a lady.
Halfway there, Yani. Halfway there.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please make sure to subscribe. Don't be part of the 84% people who are not subscribed to this channel, who are still watching our content. It's like you go into your neighbor's house and you just eat their food, and you don't come back the next day. And you see them in public, you're just like, who are you? Wait, what? Wait, what?
No, they always come back. They say day after day, but they just don't say hi.
Yes, so it's like that. It's like you go into a neighbor, you eat their food, and then you don't say hi in public.
And you leave.
That's so rude. So when you come to our home, this is literally our home, we're filming in our home, you better subscribe.
Or no, this is just YouTube.
I'm kidding.
Whatever, guys.
We still love you guys. Thank you for all the support.
Thank you for watching.
Please do leave nice comments below, because lately we've been lonely, because all we see in the comment sections are just like, oh, please rate, please react, please check out, please.
We're not video machines.
We are people too.
We are people. We have a heart. Mine, I left it in Italy. Didn't have a passport for that.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We love you as always. Otherwise, we still love you, and we will see you on in the next video.
Bye. Enough. No, don't sing. That's why they don't subscribe.
Bye.
And you